All right. I would say good morning, but it's not morning. Today I created AI Inbox. The reason why I created AI Inbox is because we have so many marvelous AI models and all these AI options that's scattered all over the web at different uh, IP addresses. I'm sorry, web URLs. And what we lack is an ingredient that can allow us to seamlessly integrate with these various channels coming from a source of intelligence. And my goal is to streamline artificial intelligent derivative creations and usage points into an ecosystem that can dip in and out and also package your creations accordingly. So let's say you're using one of these AI assets, Claude, ChatGPT, whatever the case may be, Perplexity, Manus, whatever you're using, and you're going on your creation process. One of the main determinants with artificial intelligence is that it's based off of the information that's in your mind, and it can also be overwhelming too. So what I have AI Inbox to do is, first off, your email address is not just a static email address. Okay, it's an AI agent. So your email address is an AI agent. If you go to any of these websites and you create an account using this email address, this AI agent now communicates with what's the word that I'm looking to call it? With the company's permission layer, I guess on the APIs. I would say it's the APIs. So what it does is it gets an agreement with this company. And what it allows it to do is it allows it to streamline so when you're on these apps, all these various apps, and you're doing what you're doing, it allows it to streamline this content on a permission based, kind of ordeal. So that therefore you can actually take your content and already have it streamlined into a PDF on AI Inbox. So it's really it's an it's an it's an email address briefcase creative workstation, okay, with AI agents at your demand. So ultimately, the goal is for you to utilize this email address um, for your AI tools. So you can have a seamless streaming process. It picks up your patterns. Um, it it takes your content and it stores it nice, neatly, safely, um, to where you have to do less work. But one of the best things that I like about this is that it pretty much it's going to help you depending on what you're doing on these AI tools. Like a lot of people use this to start companies and things of that nature. But we don't need we don't just need a wealth of information that we have to go through. We need a wealth of information that guides us step by step on what we're trying to accomplish. And then we need this wealth of information, which is this AI agent, to be able to bring it to the next step at the click of a button. So essentially, imagine you're getting a project off the ground, and you started from scratch, and you're utilizing these AI sites to get this information and do what you do. Well, when you streamline it to, to AI inbox, the first thing it notices is you don't have, this isn't an actual company. So it brings you through those steps on what you need to do. And as you start doing what you do, it knocks it, boom, you upload the information, you get this accomplished, this, that, and the third, you provide all the valid proof, and then it gets you down the steps. And so then when it gets to the funding, or maybe you want to use like some type of start engine to raise capital, it works you down those steps as well. um, Maybe it's a great idea and you might need to send it to certain people, it'll advise you on that. It can pull resources from the World Wide Web in order to further you on your mission, not just as far as just static data, but as far as connecting ties on the World Wide Web. There's people right now you can send an email to that will be great for the project that you got going on, but you don't know where to start or who to search for and things of that nature. So it's pretty cool. You can chat. You can chat, as well. But it's more like an email slash briefcase. You know what I'm saying? It's strictly for business minded people and people who are equipped and ready to take over the world and create businesses. And it's a startup.